Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I decided today I'm going to share with you my real morning routine. This is not going to be some glamorous, beautifully shot video. This is just reality. Some nice pimples going on, so that's always fun. I just went pee, brushed my teeth. Now I'm here at my very glamorous vanity setup. I wake up about 15 minutes before Carter and I just get very minimally ready, like 10-minute mommy makeup situation. Just because if I don't do it now, it will not happen. I'm not gonna show you every single product I use, but I will share my favorites. First and foremost, okay. Best foundation I have ever used, ever in my entire life, is the Bounce Foundation by Beauty Blender. So good. Guys, it has been over a year since I've done a morning routine. I don't even know if people still do these on YouTube anymore. Do they? Well, we do. Wait until you guys see Carter. He is talking up a storm. He is sassy. Now, because of these lashes, it cuts my time getting ready significantly because I don't really do anything with my eyes. Oh my gosh, yesterday I tried filming this video and I was having the biggest mom fail day of all time. So I was like, you know what? We're just gonna try again tomorrow. Spilled coffee on myself, got lost in a parking garage. Then for bronzer, blush, and highlight, I just used this one palette. We have it all just right here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 2 seconds. I don't wear highlight. You know why? Because I have freakishly large cheeks. We don't need to draw any more attention to them. And last up, my lips. It's almost embarrassing at this point that I've been wearing the exact same lip color for years. I know, guys, I know. So this is the Kylie lip liner in Candy K and my Ride or Die Nude Beach by Too Faced. I literally bought 5 of these because I'm so paranoid they're gonna discontinue the color and it's the only color I like. All right, so that is my under 10-minute mommy makeup. Now we're gonna go get little man. Good morning.
I'm freaking out in my crib.
What are you doing in your crib?
I'm freaking out in there.
Why are you freaking out?
I lost a hot roll record. Mom, you think it's outside? Good morning, Bodo.
Come on, family, let's go downstairs. Barto's leading the way.
Where's the pickup truck, Mom?
Where did you have it last?
I can't find it, Mom. I can't find it.
Okay, so here's Carter's breakfast this morning. Here is his smoothie. And then we have this protein waffle that he really likes, blueberries, and some nut butter. There's your smoothie.
What does it have in it, Mom? Mom, does something taste good in it?
Something tastes good, I told you. Probably give him some peanut butter,
and the
extra fruit.
moldy.
The straw is moldy?
Yeah.
No, it's a brand new straw, honey.
No, it's moldy.
It's a beautiful morning outside. Nice sunny day. Okay, so I have to point this out. This Melissa and Doug car service station. His favorite toy, like ever, ever, ever. He almost loves it too much, like he wants to sleep with it. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys my #1 life hack for drinking more water because I struggle so much. Keep a cup over here by the faucet, and then in the morning when I wake up, I drink not quite the whole thing, but like over half of it, and then at 4 other times during the day, I just chug this because I'm not the kind of person who can sip on water. All right, so I have some organic egg whites going in here. The key with these is you really have to season them up. Rosemary, this herb mix, a bunch of lemon pepper. This is my favorite seasoning. I put this on everything. True lemon. And then we have our Maldon sea salts. Okay, so here is my breakfast all put together. Something I do every single morning as I get my diffuser going. Today we're gonna go with peppermint and lemon. Peppermint just really wakes me up, and then the lemon is just nice and refreshing and clean smelling. So I get like 8 drops of peppermint and then maybe like 4 drops of lemon. And then this wakes me up, puts me in a good mood, and the whole house smells fresh and amazing. Okay, I'm getting dressed now. I just got these shorts, I'm trying them on, and I don't know how I feel about them. I feel like they're almost like a little bit too long, so I either need to return them or DIY them. Okay, so here they are with my DIY treatment. So I just cut a little bit off the bottom. Probably should have just returned them because now they don't have the fraying. Maybe they'll fray naturally on their own. Okay, update. I put on these shorts because they're so much more comfortable. And then I put on a sweater because it's a little chilly outside. Is Carter's ice cream shop open?
Yeah.
Can I order 1 scoop, please, with toppings?
It's ice cream.
Thank you. What kind is it?
It's chocolate mint.
It is?
Yeah, and it's yummy. Look, Mom. I'm making this high up. Look, I made it for you.
Thank you, sweetie.
Mom, there's something I'm missing.
What's missing?
Mustard.
Mustard.
Drip, drip. It's pretty tasty.
It's pretty tasty. Carter's having a little snack. What are you eating?
Watermelon.
How does it taste?
Yummy. And it's tasty.
Is it sweet or sour?
It's tasty.
So now it's around 11 o'clock. I tend to make lunch earlier in the day because I find it helps with Carter's mood when we eat an earlier lunch. So he is watching Peppa while I do a little cooking. So first I have to decide what I want to make. Choosing between honey chicken, balsamic pork chops, and beef tacos. I feel like I have to go with the tacos. These look so freaking good. And this is a HelloFresh meal. HelloFresh is very kindly sponsoring today's video, and I have to give them a huge shout out because I'm a long-term partner with HelloFresh and they treat me so well. They are such an amazing company to work with. So by supporting them, you're also supporting me and my channel, and I really appreciate it. This is something that I've been using since I was pregnant with Carter. So that's like almost 3 years now. So just in case you don't know what HelloFresh is, it is a weekly meal delivery service where they send you the recipe cards, all the ingredients you need. All you have to do is just cook it. It's usually under 30 minutes. And what I personally love about it the most is it gives me something to look forward to. I tend to eat the same types of things and I'm in a rut. So this has me trying new things, and I also really enjoy cooking. I find it relaxing. They have several different meal plan options so you can customize it based on what you need. So there's a family plan. They have a veggie box, a classic box. I usually get the classic, and you really cannot underestimate the convenience factor of just having everything ready, coming to your door. It just makes my life so much easier. I have too much on my plate already, so this is one less thing that I have to do. So if you've seen HelloFresh around and you haven't tried it yet, you seriously just need to try it. Once you try it, you will understand. HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving. You can get 8 free meals by going to HelloFresh.com and using my code VASSOR80 for a total of $80 off your first month. Just try it once and then you will understand why I've been using it for 3 years and I love it so much. And with my code, you can get $80 off. So I will have all of that information in the description box. Okay, I'm done now. That took under 20 minutes and look how good these look. These smell amazing. So good. So we're out here having a picnic in the front yard. This is Carter's favorite thing to do. Oh, a car's coming. What kind of car?
A Honda.
What kind of car do you want to get?
A Lexus.
You want a Lexus?
Yeah, so we buy it tomorrow. And can I eat my lunch out here?
Yeah, sure.
With my right hand.
That's your right hand. Where's your left hand?
My left hand had nothing in it.
It has nothing in it. What's in your right hand?
Red car.
Oh, it's got the red car. What kind of red car?
Corvette red car.
Corvette.
And what kind of truck is missing a trailer? It's a Jeep truck missing a trailer.
Oh yeah, that is your Jeep right here. So you guys have to let me know, can you understand him or do you still need the subtitles? So my birthday is coming up and we are all going on our very first trip to Maui. I've never been to Hawaii. So if you have any tips for flying on an airplane with a toddler or things to do in Maui, please leave them in the comments. I would really, really appreciate it. So hot tip for moms. These are clean teeth lollipops. They're made with xylitol, so they're actually 0 sugar.
Mom, what kind of flavor is that?
What flavor do you think it is?
What cream flavor?
Whipped cream?
Yeah.
I think maybe it's raspberry?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Do you lick or bite the lollipop?
bite.
No.
Lick.
Lick it, yeah. Who is that cutie pie on the screen right there? Who is that?
Holiday and she licking a lolly.
Look who came to join us at our picnic.
Bardo.
Bardo, tell her to come over here.
Bardo. Bardo, come over here.
Bardo,
Come
come over here. She's so scruffy right now. She's getting groomed tomorrow. She looks like a little Ewok. Look at her. With rosy cheeks, you smile at
Me.
and
Say my poo away.
you're my baby.
Bumblebee.
You are so very.
Sweet.
You're rubbing your eyes. You're getting tired, I see.
Mom, give me another book.
We already had another book.
Mom, give me another book.
If I read you another book, are you going to ask for another one?
Yeah.
All right, so now that Carter reluctantly went down for his nap, I'm gonna do a quick at-home workout. I am doing a fitness challenge, like I mentioned. That video will be coming up soon, so I have to get in my workout. Oh my gosh, that was harder than I thought it was gonna be. I am so out of breath. That is gonna be it for my morning routine. This is starting to get into the afternoon, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go over to HelloFresh, try them out, use my code, and you can save $80. That information will be in the description box. Thank you so much for supporting them and for supporting me. I really appreciate it. With all that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.